If you're dreaming of owning a luxury villa surrounded by nature and with top amenities at your fingertips, Bosques de Pinilla is what you have been waiting for. These are the most affordable 4-bedroom single-family homes in Hacienda Pinilla. There are only 4 villas left, and one could be yours. Modern finishes, spacious layouts, indoor and outdoor living made for the tropics. With a 70-feet long pool, an open barbecue and fitness area, plus a beautiful playground, every day feels like a vacation here. Would you like to explore one of these homes? Send me a message and let's set up a private tour.